Last time we had already done the patching work for that registry entry. Now we have to actually patch the software. We had done the registry work and now we have to patch the software. So how can we patch? For patching the thing, what we have to do, we have to go to computer, C drive, program files, common files, Bentley share, IEG, IGCLS, and uh, transfer this file, this Bentley LIC LIV this, copy and paste, copy and replace, continue. So after this we can easily open our STAAD profile and we'll see everything has been activated. Now we can easily go for opening new projects and doing the required thing in STAAD Pro. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you. We'll meet in the next class with the beginning of the course.